Welcome to Buck's living room. Check this boat out. This is a Cuban boat that washed up here.
But what I would also argue is this: is like you said, Nick Saban, he's got a big megaphone, whatever that means. But I don't tell you
HA could be Havana.
that is that when Nick Saban steps to the podium and says something, a lot of times, many times, he is saying something without saying it, and we've kind of all heard the press sound bites in the past where he gets mad if media
That's nice, man.
too much credit, rat poison, all that stuff, and he's basically telling his team, "Hey, you're
I love his Cuban details like that.
Think you are." I would counter what you said, what Paul Feinbaum said, what everybody said. I think it was a rebuild. I think they in some ways overachieved, in some ways, there was just Alabama being Alabama. It doesn't mean it wasn't a rebuild. But what I would also say is, and maybe I'm overthinking it, I think he also kind of said,
It smells like a Cuban boat.
as good last year as we were when we didn't.
Really like turpentine oil. Yeah, be careful right there, man. All these panels for the deck come out. Couple bunks there. Extra belts. Somebody took the wheel. That's pretty cool. That still works.
But he's just such a competitor. So he's still there 5 years from today. It's not because it's an addiction to be a champion as much as it is his just fire to compete. He's got that in him. I still predict he'll be gone within 5 years. But I think that's the biggest thing is how many times have we actually been able to comment during this offseason of something Nick has said? Usually he doesn't do this. Like he'll say something or he'll say something.
See, that's what I'm talking about. That's cool.
4 or 5 times he said something that has led to a discussion on this show and a bunch of others. And I look at that and I'm just like, something's under this guy's skin. I know he doesn't like this NIL universe right now because he feels like other teams are going to be able to play on a field that he had found a way to protect, basically. And so when you're standing on top of Mount Everest, you all of a sudden want to erect a fence around it so that no one else can do it to you. And that kind of levels the playing field. Same thing as in baseball with the Padres. There can be a Padres-like team in college football in the NIL universe, especially without the regulations that currently exist now. You can do special things potentially. So I think you look at it from that perspective. But I think more than anything, the fact that he is saying so many kind of either controversial or newsworthy or interesting things is because something's on his mind and something is stuck in his craw. And the biggest thing is he lost to Jimbo in the regular season. He lost to Georgia in the national title game, and he lost to top recruit to Deion Sanders.
Yeah.
All of those things mixed up together reveal why he is saying so much. And to me, I'm just kind of looking at it like, dude, you were talking an awful lot. You're still going to be really good. Like, they should win the national title this year. That team is absolutely loaded this year. We'll see whether or not that happens. But he is talking in a way that's just kind of uncharacteristic for somebody like Nick that's so kind of heads down, we're running our program, come get us kind of stuff. It's just shows me that something emotionally right now, something has triggered him about the state of college football and where he resides within it. I would also say too, as guys get older, they just stop caring. That's true. Yeah, I remember actually, it's ironic because I just brought up David Nuno. I remember him saying this on our show where if you watch the Jimbo Fisher sound, it is kind of like a senior moment where he just gets worked up and he doesn't realize where he is and what he's saying, and then I don't even think he like Nate Hilton's the basketball coach is sitting right next to him and like turns his head when Nick Saban said it. So it's interesting.
Looks like it's mahogany under there, but
also would be very concerned if I was the rest of college.
yeah, it's mahogany.
Now, as we get further
This is a really
into the
cool
NIL
boat.
world, and maybe the talent spreads out a little bit more, and Lincoln Riley gets some at USC, and Mario Cristobal gets some at Miami, and Jimbo Fisher gets some at Texas A&M. For at least one more year, Alabama, in my opinion, has by far the best team in college football, which we'll discuss next. We're going to do a little college football semantics here, the overrated, underrated, all that good stuff. Preview the season 4 Saturdays from now. We will have Notre Dame, Ohio State. We will have Clemson, Georgia Tech. We will have Georgia, Oregon. A lot of good games that week. So come back, talk about the season itself coming up next. Aaron Torres, Jason Martin.
I'll look up the markings on this to figure it out.
Hammer was impressive, but nothing is more impressive than the hammer of God. Roger Goodell, and he's
All right.
swinging his hammer.
Buck out.